Let's walk through how to use the on-demand water heater. First, you want to make sure that you have the water pump on by clicking the switch located near the water heater. Turn the igniter switch located under the water heater to on. Set the water regulator knob on the water heater to its highest setting. Set the gas regulator knob on the water heater to the minimum setting. Turn the faucet on and adjust to the desired water flow. There will be a series of audible clicks and the burner will ignite. To initially raise the outgoing temperature, slowly turn the gas valve towards maximum. Adjust slowly and check the temperature often. There will be a slight delay between increasing the gas supply and the increase in water temperature. Should the water temperature need to be higher, you can try slowly reducing the water flow regulator until the desired temperature is reached. There's 2 D-cell batteries located under the water heater, so if you find that the igniter is not working as it should, please replace the batteries.